Whether you're on the job or off-roading through the wilderness, it doesn't take any time for rocks and debris to wreak havoc on your truck. LUVERNE textured rubber mudguards are the perfect solution for maintaining that sharp, pristine, professional look. For the front or rear of the truck, these custom mud flaps add style and body protection. They are constructed from heavy-duty black rubber that stands up to road debris and sheds water with ease. They feature 18-gauge stainless steel plates to help protect the bottom edge and extend the life of the mud flaps. And they feature a bright, high-polished finish for a long-lasting shine. With their 3/8 inch thick recycled rubber construction, LUVERNE textured rubber mudguards easily deflect everything from mud to gravel, protecting the body of your truck from scratches, chips, and scuffs. The textured finish of the rubber mud flaps is also designed to easily hide minor scuffs and scratches and maintain a clean appearance. For an easy installation and custom fit, these truck mud flaps are made vehicle specific. They install with corrosion-resistant fasteners and high-strength steel mounting brackets with a galvanized finish for long-lasting durability. If you're interested in purchasing the LUVERNE texture rubber mudguards or looking to have them installed, check out the store locator in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.